How are you, Mr. Sangam?
I'm very well. Thank you very
My
much.
apology, I was not able to cover up in the first 2 days.
No, yeah, it's been. I don't blame you because it's been very, very busy for us. Only this is the time I'm seeing, there's a less rush in our stand. But otherwise, it's been very difficult for me to really go and meet and greet every customer. I've been pulled in every direction by all the regions. But couldn't have asked for anything more than this. Absolutely amazed by the response that we're getting.
So exactly, the first question, what I was supposed to be asking you. have
Already answered that. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah.
As regards to, integration of Renishaw probes into several machines, several instrumentation, I don't see any sort of alternative. Do you think there is any?
See, actually, I would not talk on alternatives, but what we have been doing for last 4-5 years, we changed our strategy because we believe that every CNC machine which is cutting metal in this country must have a probing system. That's the vision that we have. So, I think you'll agree with me that with our strength, how much ever we increase our reach, we will not be able to go and meet each and every customer in India and every sector, every look and corner of the country. So what we have done, we are trying to increase our reach by having different routes to market. One is, we go and sell directly to the customers. There are large accounts, key accounts and all that. But also the other route to market for us has been OEMs, the people who build machine tools, people like LMN, AMS, LMW, BFW and all other machine tool manufacturers, through which we can sell our probes on their machine and then they go and sell to their customer. But the key other important route to market for us has been our distributors. So we have established now the channel partner across the country. It was an initiative 4 years back. Now we have very active channel partners. If you consider East, Kolkata, Jamshedpur, North, South, West, Gujarat, NCR, everywhere we have channel partners. So they are going and meeting those small customers, SMEs as we call, and they're trying to go and explain this to customers that how they can get more out of their machine by adopting probing system. So if you see our theme in this IMTEX is automation for everyone. We want every manufacturer, how much ever small he is, that they should get onto the journey of automation for everyone. Start in a small way by adopting probing system on their machine tools and increase the efficiency, effectiveness, productivity, quality, stability, robustness in the process. All that is possible to achieve if they get onto the journey of having probing system on their CNC machine. So that's how we are able to go and increase our market reach. Still a lot to do. If you see the adaptation of probing system is still in a single digit, and imagine single digit to 3 digit is quite a huge opportunity. So that's how I would answer your question.
So I would also say there is a trending in technology. When you see the trend in technology, more and more companies are manufacturing high technology machines, which invariably requires testing and measuring instruments. So what is your opinion as regards to the future in terms of probably the performance of Renishaw?
See, actually, what I'm seeing a change in this IMTEX. It's a change. You're seeing an output here, but if you see all the machine tool builders in the country, they have started building high-end machines. It's not just high-end machines. They're trying to improve their accuracies. What they deliver to customer is because the expectations of their customer has been increasing. They've been asking the manufacturer of machine tools to improve their accuracies, deliver more to the customer because they're going to use this machine. Not going to use, they're already using these machines for export of components. Because the demand for export has been increasing in last 3-4 years. So machine tool builders have no choice to make improvements, remarkable improvements in their quality of machines, and that is driving the requirement of our solutions. It could be 3-axis machining center. People have also now started building 5-axis machines because complex machining is increasing. Earlier, people used to machine standard components, but now customers are expecting them to have machines which can produce complex parts. So obviously that means that just 3-axis machine is not good enough. They have to add 4th axis, 5th axis, and that is driving the demand for probing system. Because when you make the machine more capable, then you also need to make sure that machine performs well for a period of time. the axes are moving around this pivot point very well. So we have solutions which can help track the pivot points of the rotary tables, whether it is fourth axis, fifth axis. So obviously, that means the demand for our product is increasing. They want to integrate this when they supply the machine. So we are very happy to support such customers, such requirements, complex machining. It could be any sector. It could be aerospace, oil and gas, automotive, general engineering, precision manufacturing. So I can see that next 10 years is going to be a huge demand for our solutions.